You work harder than everyone else. You deliver results, yet when promotion time comes, someone else is getting promoted. Why does this keep happening? Today, I'll show you what managers actually look for. Welcome to Corporate Secrets Episode 1. Many employees believe hard work alone guarantees promotion, but promotions are based on much more than performance. Let's uncover the truth. The biggest promotion myth. Many professionals believe that working harder, being the best performer, or staying loyal will automatically lead to promotion. Unfortunately, that's one of the biggest career myths. Managers don't just reward past performance, they invest in the future leaders. Let's understand. What managers really evaluate? When promotion discussion happens, managers evaluate much more than technical skills. They look for leadership potential, business impact, communication skills, and visibility across the organization. These qualities signal readiness for greater responsibility. The visibility factor. This is one of the most important slides in this presentation. Visibility isn't about showing off or taking credit for everything. It's about making sure your work creates value that others can clearly understand and recognize. If leaders don't understand your contributions, even great performance can go unnoticed. So make sure you are visible within your peers, with your managers, so the people recognize that you are doing something different apart from your core role that you are aligned to. Office politics, the uncomfortable truth. Let's address this topic today, which most people avoids. Every organization has them, but office politics isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about building trust, developing strong relationships, and earning influence. Because in every successful career, strong relationships create strong opportunities. Build executive presence. What does it mean? Executive presence begins long before you receive a promotion. Speak confidently, communicate your business impact, take ownership of the challenges, and think beyond your current responsibilities. When you consistently demonstrate these qualities, people naturally begin to see you as a leader and at the next level. What successful employees do differently? Have you ever thought of this? Top performers don't just complete assigned tasks, they solve business problems, influence decisions, make their managers' jobs easier, and create measurable impact. That's what separates high performers from the future leaders. Ask yourself these questions. Take a moment and ask yourself these questions honestly. Do leaders know your work? Do they trust your judgment? Have you ever demonstrated leadership? And are you preparing for your next role? Your answers may explain where you stand today. Your next promotion starts today. Start working smart, not just hard. Make your work visible. Lead before you are asked, and focus on creating real business impact. These 4 habits separate high performers from future leaders. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to Transform and Excel with Babita for practical corporate career strategies every week. In the next episode of Corporate Secrets, we'll go inside a real promotion meeting and reveal what managers actually discuss before deciding who gets promoted. Don't miss it. This is Babita from Transform and Excel. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep transforming.